Ever walked into a store and been bombarded with a salesperson's pitch about an exclusive offer or limited time deal? Yeah, that's a spiff. But do they actually work? Are you really getting a good deal, or is it just a clever sales tactic designed to part you from your money? Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is a spiff? It's short for Specific Performance Incentive Fund. Basically, it's a bonus or commission given to a salesperson for selling a particular product or service. The idea is to motivate the salesperson to push that item, and hopefully, you, the customer, end up buying it. It's a win-win, right? Well, maybe. On the surface, spiffs seem like a great deal for the customer. You get a discount or a freebie, and the salesperson gets a bonus. But let's peel back the layers. Are these deals as good as they seem? To answer that, we need to understand how spiffs work from the salesperson's perspective. Imagine you're a salesperson at an electronics store. Your boss comes to you and says, "Hey, we've got a surplus of these new TVs. We need to move them. If you can sell 5 this week, you get a $100 bonus." Suddenly, those TVs become the most amazing thing since sliced bread, right? You're going to do everything in your power to convince customers to buy them. But here's the thing, just because a salesperson is enthusiastic about a product doesn't mean it's the best option for you. They might be more interested in that bonus than in finding you the perfect TV. So, how do you cut through the sales pitch and make an informed decision? One key is to do your research. Before you step into a store, know what you want and what you're willing to pay. Don't let a salesperson's enthusiasm sway you. Compare prices online, read reviews, and understand the features that matter to you. Another tip is to be wary of limited-time offers. This is a classic spiff tactic. The salesperson creates a sense of urgency to pressure you into buying. But remember, there's always another sale around the corner. Don't feel rushed. So, do spiffs work? They can, but only if you're a savvy consumer. By understanding how they work and doing your research, you can avoid falling victim to sales pressure and get the best deal possible. But let's be honest, spiffs are just one piece of the puzzle. There are countless other sales tactics out there, and it can be overwhelming to keep up. So, what's the secret to being a smart consumer? It's simple: knowledge is power. The more you know about products, prices, and sales strategies, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Stay curious, ask questions, and don't be afraid to walk away if you don't feel comfortable. Your wallet will thank you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.